Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok unable to authorize please try again on iPhone. So guys, if you are using any iOS device and when you have logged in your TikTok account facing this type of issue that unable to authorize and not be able to log in your TikTok. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to open your settings on your iOS device, and after this you need to make sure that you have connected with any internet connection. And guys, if you have already connected with Wi-Fi, you have to click on your Wi-Fi name and click on forget this network. And after this you have to reconnect it again with your iOS device, and after this you need to go back. So guys, if you are using mobile data, make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network on your device, and after doing this you need to go back. And guys, you have to open your settings and general, scroll it below. Here is the option of VPN and device management. So guys, make sure that you have not connected with any VPN. If you have connected with any kind of VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone. Click on reset, and guys, you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is problem on your network. So guys, when you have reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. After this, you need to click on language and region, and guys, make sure that you have selected your own region according to your country, and make sure that you have selected date and time on automatically. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. So guys, now you have to open your app store on your iPhone. And guys, after opening your app store, here you need to search TikTok app. So guys, as you can see here, after this you have to open your TikTok and update your TikTok app if not updated. So guys, simply you have to click on update. And guys, after doing update you need to go back. So guys, now I have updated my TikTok app, and guys, now I am going to check that my problem has been fixed or not. So guys, click on your TikTok, click on your main profile, and guys, now I am going to log in with my Apple ID. So guys, wait for some seconds, and guys, check that our problem has been fixed or not. So guys, as you can see here, now my problem has been fixed. As you can see here, my account has been logged in successfully without any interruption. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.